everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1968 Chevrolet Chevelle. This is a true 138 Super Sport car, guys. Factory butternut yellow car, and it has the matching numbers 396 cubic inch engine in it. Great car, originally out of North Carolina. Is about a 10-year-old restoration, but still very original. Great car, good, solid, straight body. It's got, like I said, it's got a 4-speed manual transmission. Really just a nice car. I drove it this morning. Nice and tight. Car goes down the road, drives excellent. Just a good car. If you're looking for a nice Chevelle, a numbers car, I think you'll really like this car. It's got the 14 by 8 inch Chevrolet rallies with the flat caps, BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. Good looking car, sits good, detailed up really nice on the undercarriage. Pretty car. I wish we had some sunshine on it, but we're dodging some clouds at the moment. You can see it's got all the original T3 headlights in it. There's not a whole lot to really pick, guys. The car is very, very nice. You can see they've replaced the bumpers. You know, if you want to pick something, you can say, well, the black on there is kind of chipped a little bit, so you could detail that. It's got the painted on stripes. Paint on the car is very nice. Vinyl tops in great shape. Just a pretty car, guys. You see a little stone peck there that was touched up, but that's really all you're doing. If you're picking at the paint, it's just very minor stuff. 68's got the cool, I kind of call them eyebrow tail lights. These look like the original tail light bezels, so they show a little wear, but still very nice. Nice and flat down the sides. I like the deeper rallies on it. Those look good. Of course, it's got some good rubber on it, the BFG, they're 245s. Just a good looking car. Again, good, solid, straight body. That's just a little dirt, guys, that's not a little. It's got the flat caps. I'm a flat cap fan, man. I'm not really into the top hat look. I like the flat caps on these cars. Again, this is a matching numbers 396 cubic inch engine in it. It's got a Holley 4-barrel. They've changed out. It's got a Edelbrock Performer RPM intake, chrome air cleaner, chrome valve covers, stock exhaust manifolds. Does have the original power steering. It is a Muncie 4-speed manual trans. Car's detailed up nice, hits the road good. Again, previous owner said it's about a 10-year-old restoration. It's only got 2,500 miles on it since he got the car done. This is just a nice car, man. Good, straight car. chrome's original, but very nice. It's got the dual mirrors on it. Those are definitely new. I'm going to say those are definitely newer. Door rubbers look like they're in great shape. I believe this is the original interior, guys. I was looking at it this morning, and I really do believe those sill plates might have been changed, but those seats, they look original. Again, very nice, but they look original to me. It's got the factory SS steering wheel in it, Hurst shifter. It's got all the original seat belts in it. $24.36 on the odometer. Again, factory dash, AM radio. The original owner's manual's in the glove box. It's got Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's a 12-bolt 331 limited slip rear end. So nice little dust there, guys. It's all spackle painted in the trunk. Get hold of it. Just a good, solid Chevelle. When I drove it this morning, like I say, just a good car, nice and tight, shift out good, clutch is good. Look how detailed it is underneath too. Really nicely done car. Oh, I almost want to think the sun might pop out. Well, they said there's more clouds than sun today. So the weatherman got it right. I know the parking brake works. This is a good car, man. Like I say, it runs out great. Nice and tight. Parking brake does work. There's your little light, matter of fact. Fuel gauge works. No on the radio. Blower motor does work. Again, the parking brake works, guys. Wipers won't stop working. I don't know. We'll check it. Horn works, guys. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page. Or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. That's a good looking car, man. Again, matching numbers car, true 138 Super Sport. I like the 4-speed. Just a good car. we got the wipers and stuff in there. Yeah, it's a good car. Have a great day, guys.